I know.
I'll take the picture. That's a video.
Yeah, you see them?
Why are you counting to 8? Oh, they just stayed there for a while. Yeah, mira, mira green. Is she looking at him?
Look.
Because she's staring at him.
With her mouth like this, look. Okay, just letting you know because we didn't go inside.
They always come out with new ones.
Yeah, that one's
like an afro.
Wow.
That drone's got to be getting some nice shots. Yeah. You see where it is?
Yeah. Oh, it's right over there.
Are you at the racetrack?
Wow.
You said you could get those. Matthew! For $300? You can buy them. They're worth like 9,000, like 900, $1,000 bucks. You can buy them online on Groupon, sells them like half price. No way. So anyone can have that? Matthew?
Yes, Matthew. Get into it, Eli. He loves it, bro.
They're setting it up for the big bang.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that big one. Wow. Wow.
The mean one?
Missing it now. Matthew, mira. Mira. Go turn right back around. It's over.
like the entry was like a dime. They spent a lot of money.
It's like a buck.
$1 per person. The fireworks? Couple million dollars?
Each one of those suckers is like $5 grand.
I don't know if it's too much. I think maybe like 500,000.
Today, like, Kayla, like, he was like, she was laughing, and like, I mean, the lies are, and then he's like, you spell your name, and
Mira aquí, Bobby.
I.
He's looking at the
And then I was like, oh, you're gonna look over there.
Mira.
Papi, mira la otra.
Sí, pero mira acá.
And then I'm like, okay. I was like, Matthew,
Matthew, ven aquí, papi.
Hey, sorry, mommy, my phone died, man. Hey, where are you at right now? Wait, where? Okay. Pero you don't know where you're
Matthew.
Matthew, mira los carros. Mira los carros, están muy cerca.
Wow.
Come over here.
Nice.
Cuidado con siempre.
Look here!
What?
Mira, more fireworks!
Finale. Oh, let us go. Ahorita cantando.
Papi está cantando. For your birthday, what is that? Brought to you courtesy of the red wine. I know you're tired.
You know that song? Who's singing that song? He's from Tennessee. I got Texas.
That's a finale. This big dog. When you rattle these people are back at you, man.
She's coming inside the stadium, wearing a pink shirt and jeans. Set her.
Let me choose the bathroom.
Oh, oh. You have to pee right there in the bushes, right over there. And
I never been here for last.
me neither. It's my first time here.
Second time here. Boom. Ba-boom. Ba-boom. Bubblegum.
Yo lo tengo, lollipop. Yo lo tengo, papi. Nice one, Matthew, mami.
She's crying?
She was getting ready to get out of the chair, though. Garcia.
Usually
We
go like that,
might as well give it to them, like that they can get their...
I mean, it was going to work a deal like that. Like, man, look, I'm going to give you $1,000.
Whoa.
Because
I got it, come my God.
Mira mucho color, mira mucho color.
Last time we talked to them, they calmed down.
Oh, thank God.